Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a part 2 of a spring twist video that I had already started. In the first video, I gave you in-depth details on the hair and where I got it from, which is Amazon, and all the things like that. But anyways, so this video I'm just going to be installing these on my mama, and y'all are going to love it. It turned out really cute. So as you can see, I'm just going to crochet it in like normal. Now with this hair, to me the loops should have been how can I explain it? I just didn't like the way the loops were. To me, it was difficult to loop it once you got the hair through the braid. It wasn't that hard, but it was hard enough. Like, it shouldn't have been as hard as it was, but it's still, okay hair. What else? But other than that, everything was easy to put in and style. It was just that knot issue. Like, the knots were just giving me a problem. Like, it was really giving me a problem. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all just go ahead and watch the video. But as you can see, I do my braiding pattern zigzag, going down instead of, I'm sorry, yeah, going from side to side instead of going up and down, because to me the hair just lays better. And you guys will see toward the end of the video what I'm talking about. But yeah, just enjoy it. Y'all, do y'all see? This is my mom. She's who's getting her hair done, and do y'all see her spoiling my baby? Like this is why he is so spoiled, because she just loves to spoil him every time she comes over. But anyway, so I ended up using like five and a half packs on her hair. In all, 6 packs came with the order. And so yeah, I think I had more than enough hair. But y'all, her head is small. I do think that if I would have did it on my own head, that I would need to order more hair. But for her small head, it definitely did the job. I'm gonna go ahead and list the link to where to order this hair below, and I'm also going to list part 1 to this video so that you guys can get more information on the hair and all that. All right, y'all. So, this style turned out really, really nice on her, and I love the color. I will list the color that I got below, but as y'all can see, it's very nice and neat. And I think these were like 10 inches, but yeah, I loved it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.